Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be making a splatter screen pumpkin wreath. What you're going to need for this wreath are 3 splatter screens. You will need 2 that have the knob, and my son just twisted off these knobs. He did not even have to take a screwdriver. He said it was already loose. So you'll need 2 with the knob and 1 with the handle for this wreath. And we spray painted our splatter screens with kind of a bronze metallic spray paint. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your 3 splatter screens and you are going to overlap them. Come around this way, sis. And you're going to take your floral stem wire and you're going to wire them into a pumpkin shape. And then this is your stem, and then here's your pumpkin. So give me just a second and I will wire it together. My daughter is taking some floral stem wire and she's just threading it through the splatter screen and going to the back and going to give it a few twists. So you'll want to add a few wires so that it stays in place, and we're just using 20 gauge floral stem wire. Okay, she just overlapped the screens and she added 2 wires, and I'll show you what it looks like on the back. So that's it. Very simple. So now we are ready to decorate our pumpkin. Okay, I just painted this sign orange with acrylic paints, and the sign came from Hobby Lobby, and so I just painted it. And we're going to take some floral stem wire and I'm going to add a wire right here, here, and here to secure it to my pumpkin. I need to add a little bit of paint on my wires so that they blend in. So I'll add some orange paint later, but I wanted to show you the floral picks I picked up today at Dollar Tree. Thought these were really pretty. And on the tag it just says fall pick. So you're going to want 2 picks, and then you're going to want some ribbon with wire to tie a bow, and this is 2.5 inch and it does have wire, and it was purchased at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I'm going to let out a tail, not a very long one, and then I'm going to make a loop and just pinch it tight with my left hand, and then I'm going to make another loop the same size. You're just going to go back and forth, making your loops the same size on each side. Okay, and I think that's as big as I'm going to go. And you'll want some floral stem wire close by. So you're just going to take the wire and wrap it around the center of your ribbon. Make sure you get it really tight and give it a few twists. Okay, and leave your wires long. And then now you're ready to fluff your bow. Okay, I am just going to place my bow at the top of my pumpkin, just below the handle. I'm going to take the wires and I'm just going to thread them through the splatter screen. Then I'm going to go to the back and give it a few twists. And I'm going to trim off the extra wire and fold the wires down. Okay. Now I need to fluff my loops again. Okay, and you could stop right here because that looks really pretty. So you could stop with just a bow if you wanted to. I want the tails of my bow to stay out like this, so I am going to just add a little bit of hot glue to my splatter screen and place my ribbon over it and let it dry for just a minute. Okay, my daughter is going to add some hot glue to the back of one of the floral picks, You could use floral stem wire if you wanted to instead of the hot glue. But she's just going to kind of slide it under the loop and kind of push it down and let it dry. Make sure you do not glue your splatter screen down to your table. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. Very simple to make. For the stem, we are going to be using some of the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. My daughter is just going to hot glue the ribbon to the back, and she's going to wrap the handle. Here's how the handle looks wrapped in the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. And here's the wreath hanging on my door. This is very simple and inexpensive to make. I will add a materials list in the drop-down box below for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and like and share. There's one more thing that we thought might look cute on our pumpkin wreath. We're going to add some of this twine. I think mine came from the hardware store, but you can use the nautical rope from Dollar Tree if you wanted to. But what we're going to do is just go around and hot glue this twine onto the splatter screen, onto the frame of it. So I thought that might make it look a little bit prettier, so we'll see in just a minute. If you decide you want to add the twine, you might want to do it before you start adding your embellishments. So you might do it right after you use the floral stem wire to attach your 3 screens together. So we kind of did it out of order, but I think it's going to look pretty. Okay guys, here it is with the twine. I really think I like it better with the twine. My husband came in when we hung it up the first time, when it didn't have the twine on it, and I could just tell that he didn't like the way it looked. He said he could tell it was a pumpkin, but I knew he didn't like it. So I was thinking, what could we do to make it look more like a pumpkin? And I had seen some different versions of this on Facebook, and so I thought, well, I have some twine, so we'll give it a try. So I think I do like it better with the twine. It does look more like a pumpkin. Like I said, if you're going to add the twine, add it right after you connect your splatter screens together with wire, because I think it would be a little bit easier. But actually it wasn't hard to hot glue this on. My daughter did it, and it didn't take her any time to do. So let me know if you like it better with the twine or without.